Yo, this video is going to talk about how to attract girls for love. I have studied psychology for over a decade and have had great success in my dating life. This video will tell you 4 important ways to attract girls for love. My name's Ryan Long and this is the Unleashing Potential channel. Subscribe and hit that bell to not miss out on psychology videos to unleash your potential. One important thing that men need to understand is that women are like cell phones. A woman has Wi-Fi that picks up the Wi-Fi signals from other people. Men always emit Wi-Fi signals to women. It is the man's job to show the woman that they have a high-quality Wi-Fi signal that women want. Naturally, a woman wants a Wi-Fi signal from a man that is secure, fast, and strong. Now let's get into it. The first way to attract girls for love is to display confident body language. Body language sends women a subconscious signal that a man is of high value. If you ever look at a famous celebrity or movie star, they will almost always show confident body language. If you want to know how to have confident body language, check out my body language of an alpha male video, click above to see. One easy way though to have confident body language is to keep your neck up, back straight, and hands outside your pockets. The second way to attract girls for love is to indirectly show your positive traits. Bluntly saying what you're good at can be considered bragging and a turnoff for a lot of women, but showing them is another thing. An example of this could be showing the girl you like in gym class that you are physically fit by running a mile fast or performing well on the team sporting events. Indirectly show your positive qualities. The third and most controversial way to attract girls for love is to indirectly show that you have money. Despite many women saying that it is who a man is and not their money that matters, it is only natural and by no means evil for a woman to desire a man who can provide food and housing for the family without financially struggling for it. Why would a woman want to struggle paying rent for a home small enough for her to sit on the toilet, open the front door, and flip eggs sunny side up all from the same position, when she could marry someone who can afford a big 4-bedroom home in a safe neighborhood away from gangs to raise the children? Bonus tip, even if you don't have money, a good way to still attract women using this principle is to wear clean looking, well-fitted clothes. This clean appearance still triggers the same subconscious attraction signal from women that having money does. The last way to attract girls for love is to become friends with her friends. This way, you never have to say a word to the woman you like, and you are still indirectly relevant in her social circle. As long as her friends like you, her friends will say good things about you to the woman you like, and this will subconsciously make her more attracted to you. This is a follow-up video on subconscious signs that she likes you. Fast, click above to see. If you learned something new about how to attract girls for love from today's video, then make sure to subscribe to the Unleashing Potential channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Now, I want to turn it over to you. What new fact did you learn about today? Is it A, body language is key for attracting women, or B, bluntly saying your positive traits can be a turnoff to women? Let me know by leaving a comment below right now. Please let me know if you have any video suggestions. Click above to check out the next video.